Counting. Major legal provisions. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. In this video, we will see various legal provisions regarding counting. These are covered by Representation of People Act 1951 and Conduction of Election Rules 1961. Let's see Representation of People Act 1951. Section 64, which is about counting of votes. It says, counting will be done under the supervision and direction of returning officer. Contestant candidate, election agent, counting agents have a right to be present. Section 64A, it is about destruction, loss, etc. of ballot papers at the time of counting. Returning officer shall immediately report the matter to Election Commission of India, who may direct the counting to be stopped. ECI may further declare poll to be void, order repoll for that polling station, or, if satisfied, the result of election will not get materially affected, may allow counting to be completed. Section 65 is about equality of votes. It says, result to be decided by draw of lot by returning officer if first two candidates have equal number of votes. Section 66 is about declaration of results. It says, in the absence of any direction to the contrary from the ECI, returning officer to declare result on completion of counting. Section 67 is about report of the result. It says, returning officer to report result to ECI and to appropriate authority, that is, Secretary, State Legislature or Parliament, who shall get it published in official gazette immediately. Section 128, it is about maintenance of secrecy of voting. It is applicable to government officials, agent, person performing duty in connection to election. Returning officer should take an oath to maintain secrecy of voting and read it out aloud before the commencement of counting of votes. If violation occurs, then 3-month imprisonment or fine or both. Section 129, it is about officers etc. at elections not to act for candidates or to influence voting. It is applicable to DO, RO, ARO's polling staff. If violation occurs, then imprisonment up to 6 months or fine or both. Section 136, other offences and penalties thereof. If a person is guilty of electoral offences like tampering with EVM, ballot box or ballot paper, nomination paper, etc. fraudulently. Violation. If violation is done by government official, then imprisonment up to 2 years or fine or both. If any other person, then imprisonment up to 6 months or fine or both. Now we will see different rules of conduction of election rule 1961. Rule 66A, it says, in relation to counting of votes where EVMs are used, the provision of Rule 50 to 54 have been made applicable, and in lieu of Rule 55, 56 and 57, Rules 55C, 56C and 57C have been made applicable. Rule 51. Time and place for counting to be fixed by returning officer at least 1 week before the date of poll. Notice to be given in writing to each candidate or his election agent. Rule 52. Appointment of counting agents. Subject to ECI directions, a candidate may appoint counting agents which shall not exceed 16 for each place of counting. Appointment to be made in Form 18 in duplicate, 1 copy for returning officer for record and other copy to agent for production before RO, not later than 1 hour before the time fixed for counting. No entry in counting hall unless second copy of Form 18 is given to RO after signing the declaration. Revocation can be done in Form 19. Rule 53. Admission to the place of counting. Nobody else except RO, ARO counting staff candidates, their election agents and counting agents, public servants on duty, persons authorized by ECI are eligible to admit in the place of counting. Whosoever misconduct himself or fails to obey lawful direction of RO shall be removed from the counting hall. Rule 54. Secrecy of voting. RO to read out provision of section 128 of RP Act 1951 allowed before commencement of counting. Rule 55C. Scrutiny and inspection of EVMs before counting. Counting staff and counting agents to inspect and ensure that CU is not tampered and all seals are intact. In case not, report the matter to ECI. Rule 56C. It is about actual counting. Press the result button and see the display of votes count. Note down the same in Part 2 of Form 17C. Counting supervisor to sign on it, along with candidates or the election agents or counting agents. Corresponding entries to be made in Form 20. Rule 56D. It is about scrutiny of paper trail. Where printer for paper trail is used, after the entries made in the result sheet are announced, any candidate or in his absence, his election agent or any of his counting agents may apply in writing to the returning officer to count the printed paper slips in the drop box of the printer in respect of any polling station or polling stations. On such application being made, the returning officer shall, subject to such general or special guidelines as may be issued by the Election Commission, decide the matter and may allow the application in whole or in part or may reject in whole if it appears to him to be frivolous or unreasonable. Every decision of the returning officer under sub-rule 2 shall be in writing and shall contain the reasons therefor. Rules 57C. It is about sealing of voting machines. After the result of voting recorded in CU has been entered in Part 2 of Form 17C, the CU is to be resealed with the seals of RO and candidates or election agent if present and if they want to do so. Rule 60 is about continuous counting. Rule 61. It is about recommencement of counting after fresh poll. Rule 63 provides for recount of votes. Rule 64. It is about declaration of result of election. Rule 65 provides for counting at 2 or more places for one constituency. Rule 66 provides for grant of certificate of election to return candidate. In this video, we have discussed many legal provisions regarding counting. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the email shown on the screen. For other videos on election-related materials and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown on the screen. Thank you.